Looking for instructions on how to cast with your Pico Neo 3 Pro? You've come to the right spot. Today, we're going to show you how to cast your hard hat VR training kiosk to a TV or projector using a wireless display adapter. First, let's talk about the setup. You'll need your Pico Neo 3 headset and a wireless display adapter. This adapter is key as it allows a direct connection without needing Wi-Fi. Notice it has two ends, HDMI and USB. Connect the HDMI end to your TV or projector. Just plug it into one of the HDMI ports. The USB end is for power. You can plug this into a USB port on the TV or projector. If there isn't one, use a wall outlet with a standard phone charger. Once connected, ensure your TV or projector is set to the correct HDMI port. If you plugged into HDMI 1, set your device to HDMI 1. Now, let's switch to the Pico Neo 3 headset. You should be in the Hard Hat VR Kiosk training menu. Look for the casting icon. It's usually at the bottom right. Use the controller's laser pointer to hover over the casting icon and press the trigger button to select it. We'll then arrive at a list of wireless displays available to your headset. Select the one matching the name of your adapter. Upon selection, your headset will connect to the TV. What you see in the headset will be mirrored on the TV. If you don't see any devices listed, check if the wireless display option is enabled in the settings. This can be found under the three dots in the top corner. And that's it. You've successfully cast your Pico Neo 3 to a TV or projector. If you have questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.